This is the quick all you need to know review of the Discovery Kit by Dr. Barbara Sturm. I decided to get a Discovery Kit from Barbara Sturm because I really like her anti-aging body cream and toner, so I wanted to try a few more products. And as you can see, I have almost finished all of the small bottles. The kit comes in a minimalistic and elegant cloth toiletry bag. It has a metal zipper and contained all the 8 products included. This is a list of what's included. Anti-aging body cream, facial scrub, 2 face mask, hyaluronic serum, cleanser, and eye cream. They come in really small packaging, all very minimalistic and high quality. Most of them have screw corks like this. The serum comes in a little glass bottle. All the products included are very high quality. None of them smell a lot. They have very subtle scents. There are active ingredients, for example, in the face mask, but I had no issues with them even though I have sensitive skin. The Barbara Sturm products are developed by the doctor, Barbara Sturm, and in my opinion, they are all very gentle but efficient. I think this kit is a very smart way to try her line and then decide what products you want to buy in bigger bottles. I also love that you get the toiletry bag. It is just the right size to bring when you travel. And I have actually washed it in the washing machine and it is still beautiful. The insides of the bag are plastic, which is perfect if you want to use it for traveling or for makeup. Overall, I think this is a beautiful Discovery Kit. My favorites are the serum, the anti-aging body cream, and the cleanser. I can highly recommend this kit.